Myself, Raja from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Today, so previous to this, we discussed about our main project, which is step by step. Now it's trying to conclude on tries to completion of our mini project. We know that previous videos I explained about the complete working and necessity of the mini project. The name is development of tailored model for comprehensive detection system. So this project is a group project with a team of three members. And the rest of them are from Department of Artificial Intelligence named Chaur Madin. Mrs. Yorani belongs to CSE department with specialization related to IoT, Internet of Things. And this project is completely under the guidance of sponsored in Mr. Robert Porto from the Savita Engineering College from the Department of Artificial Intelligence. Let's don't waste your time. Let's be with our presentation of our main project. As you can see, first of all, it will start with the introduction. So the mini project is, mainly aims to for design and implement the part of face detection. Not only face detection, we can use this model for various purposes, uh, uh, such as face recognition, in medical oriented, the T1 deductions, it's whatever we need. It's everything belongs to what kind of method we have used. It's matter here to use our model because already existing students or can have a capability to do that. But compared to it, they have a different kind of capabilities they can do this recognition, the same model they can do some other or reductions, but they especially they can't indirectly they can't involve in the particular field of deduction. It's the main thing. That's why we have created or we have developed our customized model from the training of our data from scratch. And actually, in the current world or current modern environment, what are the challenges that we face means because due to the products like photos, videos, clippings, or which means there is a duplication of a person for video will be uploaded in some social media will be done. And also while in the field of authentication, the real-time performance, such as when the face is recognized, there will be delayed responses from the system due to the lack of data sufficient for the model to compute using access and low accuracy conditions when conditions are light intensity, visual expressions, facial changes due to the period of time, which everything belongs to the model, what kind of data we have been uh, given for training. That's why the challenges that we face facing in the existing systems. That's why we entered into our comprehensive solutions to solve these kind of issues and also we're developing our customized open source model for all kinds of, not all kind of, relatively more number of problems. And the scope of the project related to if any, or for an example, if an interview process going on in conferences for the student can attend their meetings, interviews through their online table. There are also possibilities that some other students, there will be a lack of students, um, they are rejected due to the facial expressions, which means not like a facial expressions, which means the students may practice likewise, and also we can predict based on we can develop some kind of models that we can fit with our medical wanted images. We can get the output from them. A lot of scopes are related to our project, and also objective is developing our customized model. And you can say that technology which is named for creating facial landmarks and real-time processing techniques, which is seamlessly can interact with our real world. and also multitasking, which is nothing but the more kind of input kind of data whatever we given in form of binary manner. And the application ideas already we discussed before, the authentication, the healthcare, the consumer devices. That's also the scalability of the model also important. How much is the model can have and it has the capability to handle all those things. And um, when we enter in the came to the methodology, that we all belongs to a five steps, which means actually we got and capturing images from actually what is the objective is of the model is to real-time detections. For the purpose of the model, we had been collected or customized the images from the webcam through OpenCV2 packages, and we have further processed the images into JSON files, and they have created pipelines for that purpose, and data has been given to the model potential detection, and we had certain kind of values from the training. So compare with the values with the real-time identity. If the and both values are so similar, we can have the liveness detection output, which may be the result of the evaluation. And if the result on fails, we can try to the authenticate. Again, it's failed. There will be a problem of some person is mismatching with our database of the authentication. And you can completely view here the architecture and workflow also. Uh, we discussed before the methodology of price fields. We have it in pathology price, facial detection model also is there, facial encoding recognition model also there. Because it's not possible for a human sample 5,000 images and processing 5,000 images is manually, which is huge. It is not feasible. That's why we have been taken is all of the images. And we had data augmented with total multiple languages, and we have been created pipelines for that. And we had converted the images into the code specifications zero-ended file format, and we have created a template for that concept. Then we feed all kind of data augmented images to the pipeline. We generated all JSON files for the corresponding images. We had a separation of the images and the corresponding zero files into the separate folder. We had processed that and then we feed into our ML models for training and testing and all kinds of stuff. And when you came into you can see that the workflow of some users and indicate that kind of model into authentication systems. To the working of our design of our model with detection field authentication system. There also the sequence of the how data is flowing into the detection model in the application system, how the responses are being passed, and how the responses are created by the respond by the uh, input of request from the which is in this case the input of request is nothing but the input image of the person when he fetched with the authentication system. The response is nothing of the nothing. It's not a same images are. This is a error message which is a which may be a two way. Which one thing may be an error message. Something is a background process response which may be allow him to enter. And this part is completely depend upon the what kind of companies they have used this model for their own purposes. And for image collections and pre-processing, we have used OpenCV packages for collecting images, and we have processed most of the images also, and we have saved them in separate folder. And we later augmented all those collected images with uh, random cropping and flipping the images like horizontal difference and contrast of the images, and the auto transition is also there available. Uh, the project, the main part is building a model. As I told, it's very big task to train model from scratch of the data. That's why we have used a lot of models. Here we use a two kind of model, which is classification model and the localization models. And the GG16 we had used as a base for localization purpose. The main, as usual, the convolution neural network as the main levels for processing all those things. And here the VGG16 is nothing but we know that VGG19 is that, but compared to the VGG16's combination of 16 type of layers, the 16 type of convolutional layers, and it excels in the image feature and extraction also. And algorithm output, we basically discussed about the classification game, regression game, and we had created a custom loss function for that purpose, and we have trained the model by creating the Python. You can see already told that training a model one by one is much more complex. That's why we created a pattern automatically fetch all training data out with that model, then it will train to the completion end of the episode. And hardware selections are studied. And for requirement CPU with the i7 processor of Intel Core or AMD Ryzen 7 and NVIDIA, if graphics card is very much more preferable. RAM 16 GB RAM operating system is both up and down UI compatibility. And we use TensorFlow REST packages, OpenCV, and programming languages Python. And we implemented everything and we have exported the trained model and we used trained model for real time. And resolving foreign code statements and collecting images from OpenCV. And we have encoded all kind of in JSON format, and we have used that encodings for field to the model. And here we loaded the exported model name of model that hatchery. Then using OpenCV we can access them and we can define is the right field or not like this. There is a lot of things is possible. And here's the first input file getting output from the OpenCV with various transaction, and the output after data augmented with the color effects or later under the detection. And this is the output after data augmented and all kind of things, other faces, character or not. And this is the final output. You can see this is uh, phase is the third. So this phase is available with the blue bounding boxes. If phase is not detected, that message which is not detected like that, it's showing the error. And we tested with a lot of measures, frequencies, everything. And the accuracy of model we have 90 percentage, prescription 93, recall percentage of 92 percentage. And this is our own trained installation model from the scratch for various purpose related to what kind of data we are feed into the to our model. And feature work we have tried to implement this with the various application data loads. And references all that sort of app calls and implementations we referred and implemented from showing this to uh, that's all described it in the two slides. And see you can search in with the uh, with the campus. These are the much documentations which related to our model, it is sports documentations. package, a lot of things. Stuffs are there in this documentation of the topics. And thank you for all kindly. So, if you have any doubt, kindly phone the slide. So, say your doubt. Yeah, thanks.